Now I am going to give you some Raj Jyotish tips and pointers. Write down. If a native has Saturn in the seventh house of Navamsha, he or she will always be respected by in-laws. The in-laws, the extended family will always respect you, but the quality of the marriage will be or will go for a 6. Always remember this. I get few cases where people say, you know what, my in-laws are very good, my mother-in-law is good, my father-in-law is good, everyone is good, but I don't gel with my husband. My mother-in-law keep on telling my husband that, why are you destroying your married life? So your in-laws, you'll always get respect from the in-laws if you have Saturn in the seventh house, but your own marriage is going to be bad. If the seventh lord is not well placed, then it's a pain. Seventh house Saturn giving you a very cold spouse, very practical spouse, but getting lot of respect from your extended family. You will get it for sure because Shani has Digbal in the Saptam Bhava, directional strength. Wherever, I mean, in the Lagna Kundali also, if you have Saturn in the seventh house, you will get respect from the world. Next topic is karma of marriage. What is the karma of marriage? The karma of the marriage is seen from the fourth house of Navamsha. The fourth house of Navamsha is happiness of Navamsha. So in your past life, and because of the past life, because of your prarabdha, if you have only benefics in the fourth house, now the word I have used is only. If you have only benefics in the fourth house, then there will be happiness in the marriage. If you have a malefic and a benefic in the fourth house, at times you will be happy, at times you will be sad. So it is sweet and salt. But if you have only malefics in the Chaturtha Bhava of the Navamsha, you will never ever have happiness in your married life. The biggest Raj Yoga for married life. If the Lord of the fourth house aspects its own fourth house from a Graha Drishti, it is one of the best Raj Yogas for married life. Should I repeat? If the Lord of the fourth house of the Navamsha aspects its own house, means the fourth house itself, through a Graha Drishti. Suppose the fourth Lord is Moon and Moon sits in the 10th house and it aspects its own fourth house. It's a good Raj Yoga. It will bring happiness in the married life. Be it a malefic, be it a benefic. It should aspect its own home. The fourth house of your Navamsha, shows your character as well. The fourth lord of your Navamsha is the Karta of your marriage. It is the Karta. When I say the word Karta, means the doer of the marriage or the significator of the marriage. Check the position of the fourth lord in the D9 and you will try to find happiness in that house. I will write this word. You see, I'm going to make a star and this is a very important point. People come to me and say, Guruji, I have a very average married life. Where will I find marriage? Where will I find happiness in my marriage? So check the position of the fourth lord. Fourth lord has gone in a particular house. That is the house where you will try to find the happiness in your married life. So if the fourth Lord has gone into the 10th house. If you want to make your marriage happy, take your spouse to the work. Work together. In the 9th house, go for long distance travels. In the 3rd house, go for short distance travels. In the 4th house, buy a car, buy luxury. 5th house, 4th Lord in the 5th house, you will find happiness from children. 4th Lord in the 6th house, you will find happiness from charity. दान करो. आपकी married life अच्छी नहीं चल रही, start donating things. The married life will go better. 4th Lord in the 7th house, remarry again. Just remarry again. शादी दोबारा कर लो. 4th Lord in the 8th house, respect your in-laws. You need to consider your in-laws as your own parents. You will start getting happiness in your married life. 4th Lord in the 9th house, I said long distance travels. In the 10th house, work together. 4th Lord in the 11th house. You go and both of you dress well and go to the parties, social circle, kitties. You will start finding happiness. 11th house is mass. 4th Lord in the 12th house, change your country. Go to some other country and settle. Your married life will go better. 4th Lord in the Lagna, keep yourself beautiful. Keep yourself young. You need to maintain yourself to have a happy married life. You should be physically very, very good looking. Keep yourself fit. Go to parlor every 15 months. Every 15 days, I'm sorry. 4th Lord in the 2nd house, keep giving money to your spouse. Give her 5,000, 10,000 every 10, 15 days, she'll be happy or he'll be happy. Spend on your spouse. Do wealth creation. When the 4th Lord goes in the Lagna, respect is very important. Very, very important. So are you understanding what I'm saying? Where are you finding happiness? So I'm just going to make a Prashna Kundli to show you certain things.